Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about top 5 hand sanitizers in India. Practicing hand hygiene is necessary and useful in keeping infections and infection diseases at bay. In the event of a COVID-19 pandemic, using of cleanliness and personal hygiene is being pressed upon aggressively by public authority and civil society at large. Frequently, hand washing is recommended at regular interval to keep your hands germ-free. Hand sanitizers therefore are in a huge demand these days. Let's have a look at some best hand sanitizer brands in India. 1. Sterillium. Sterillium hand sanitizers have exceptional skin tolerability and offer maximum safety against germs and viruses. This alcohol-based hand sanitizer is useful in surgical hand disinfection within 30 seconds. Sterillium's hand sanitizers are ready to use and one of the best when it comes to quality rub-in hand disinfectants. Due to its brilliant skin-friendly composition, Sterillium hand sanitizer are loved by millions. 2. Savlon. Savlon hand sanitizer, manufactured by ITC, are powered by a new formula capable of forming advanced protection against germs and enveloped as well as now enveloped viruses. This hand sanitizer is effective in killing bacteria and fungi. Savlon sanitizers are useful to all frontline workers and professionals in healthcare domain. Their efficiency in ensuring hand sanitizer makes them perfect for everyday use. Savlon sanitizer are available in 500 ml pump pack and refill pack of 500 ml. 3. Dettol. Dettol instant hand sanitizer kills 99.99% of germs and harmful bacteria without using water. Hand sanitizers from Dettol offer the best on-the-go protection and widely popular thanks to their rinse-free and non-stick nature. Dettol hand sanitizer are available in a pack of 25 ml, 50 ml and 200 ml. 4. Lifeboy. Lifeboy hand sanitizer are enriched with skin-friendly moisturizer and vitamin E to ensure that your hands remain smooth and germ-free. Hand sanitizer from Lifebuoy are available in gel form and offer protection against germs and viruses. These hand sanitizers are easy to carry and are widely used by office workers and travelers alike. 5. Godrej. Godrej Protect hand sanitizer are gel based and get rid of germs and viruses without using soap and water. This hand sanitizer has 60% alcohol content and it not only protect your hands from bacteria but leaves a long lasting pleasant fragrance. Godrej Protect hand sanitizer is enriched with glycerin to offer skin friendly germ protection from you and your family. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.